The roads in Oshawa have transformed into endless stretches of snow, making every journey a challenge.
Hello everyone, this snowstorm hits Oshawa very hard. As you can see at my back, there is a mountain of snow. So let's go downtown area to find out how people surviving and what they are thinking about this weather, about this snowstorm.
Honestly, this is like about 20 years we haven't had snow like this in Oshawa. So, I'm not a big fan of it, honestly. It's a pain in the rear, and you gotta shovel it constantly.
Hi, my name is Sharon. If I talk about today weather, it is very harsh, and you can see at my back it's full of snow outside. The roads are full of mud, and it's very difficult for people to walk. And yeah, personally, it's very hard for me to go to my college, to my work.
So that's a wrap up for the today's news. Snowstorm can be hard and tough, but people of Oshawa can find the way and get through it. And there are so many problems that they see, but they are giving advices. How can they survive in this snowstorm? So for the downtown Oshawa news, I am Vardhan Arora at CU and Sun Road, Oshawa.